morning, dears. Yesterday we have completed question number 2. Look at question number 3. Here we have to write the numbers in exponential form. Look at question number 3.1. It is given 10 lakhs. So we'll just get the prime factors of 10 lakh with 2, 5 lakh with 2, 2,000, 2,50,000 with 2, 125,000 with 2, 6 4 to 5 10 with 2, 3 1 2 5 with 2, 1 5 10 6 12. Now it will go with 5. So we can write it 1 2 3 4 5 6 2's, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. These are the prime factors. So it will be 2 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 6. Is it? So in this way we write it in exponential form. Now look at number 2. It is given minus 8 by 343. This minus 8 can be written minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. And 343 can be written 7 into 7 into 7. So exponential form will be minus 2 by 7 to the power 3. Understood? In this way we have to solve question number 3. Now in number 4, where the value of A and B is given, we have to get the values of the terms which is given to us. Is it? Look at number 4, this is done. Number 3, I think it is done. Leftovers you have to do. Look at question number 4. It says A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 5. So it is given 2A by 3B whole cube. Number 1. So it will be 2 into 3 by 3 into 5 to the power 3. The meaning is this. Now we can cancel this 3, no problem. So it gives you 2 by 5 to the power 3, or it gives you 8 by 125. Please write it. Whatever can be cancelled, you can. There is no such rule that you cannot cancel. So please write it. Look at number 2. It is given minus 3A to the power B plus 2B to the power A. Now what does it mean? Minus 3 into A's value was 3 to the power 3, only B, it was 5, is it? This is not full B, only A to the power B. So the value of A I have written and to the power 5 I have written. Plus 2 into B's value is 5 to the power A, means the A's value is 3. Now it gives you minus 3 into 3, 3 is a 9, 3 is a 27, 3 is a 81, 3 is a 243. This gives you 243 and this gives you plus 2 into 125. Now when we multiply 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7, minus 729 and plus 250. So the answer will be 9 minus 0 9, 12 minus 5 7 and 6 minus 2 4, minus 450. 79. Once again I am saying you, if you are confused, you can see it is given a to the power b. It does not mean it is 3a to the power b. It is 3 into a to the power b. So I have written 3 into the value of a is 3. So 3 into 3 to the power b means to the power 5. Similarly, it is 2b to the power a. So 2 into b's value is 5. To the power a's value is 3. Now 3 to the power gives you 243. And 5 to the power 3 gives you 125. Now this two are multiplied together, as you know. We have to multiply according to the BODMAS rule. So this gives you minus 729 and this gives you 250. Then one is negative number, one is positive number. So we have to subtract. So the answer will be minus 479. Okay, write it please. Now, look at number 5. Others, you have to try it. If not, I'll be solving. Look at number 5. I'm going very slow. Every day I'm teaching only 2 sums. So you can solve it in a proper way. It is a to the power b plus b to the power a to the power whole to the power a. Now, first we have to solve. A's value was 3 to the power 5 plus b's value was 5 to the power 3 whole 3. Now 3 to the power 5 it gives you 243 plus 125 to the power 3. 5 3 8 4 2 6 2 and 1 3. 368 to the power 3. Now this 368 into 368 into 368 I am not going to do. That who has to do? You have to do. Okay. Finally answer that 368 into 368 into 368. Solve and write your answer. What will be? That you have to write. Multiply and write. For today, only 3 and 4. You have to complete up to 4 last. If there is any doubt, you can ask me in comment box. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you, dears.